in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful lily crochet bag. I'd say this is beginner to intermediate level, but don't worry, I'll guide you step by step. So let's get started. So for the first round, start with a magic ring. Chain 2. This counts as your first double crochet. Okay, this round is important. We're working in the back loop only. So slip stitch, then chain 2. Remember, this chain 2 doesn't count as your first double crochet. Then make 2 double crochets into the very same stitch. In the next stitch, make 2 double crochet in the same stitch again. Now continue, working 2 double crochets in each stitch all the way around. You should end up with 24 stitches. Now for the round 3, switch to the color of your choice. Then slip stitch to join. Don't forget to hide the loose end. Then chain 2. Again, this doesn't count as double crochet. Work 2 double crochets into the same stitch. Then 1 double crochet in the next stitch. 2 double crochets in the same stitch. 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Keep going this pattern all the way around. Slip stitch, chain 2. This doesn't count as double crochet. Then 2 double crochet in the very same stitch. Then 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Two double crochet in the same stitch. One double crochet in the next stitch. Then 1 double crochet again in the next stitch. Repeat all around. You should end up with 48 stitches. Slip stitch, chain 2. Again, this doesn't count as double crochet. Then 2 double crochet in the very same stitch. Then 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Let's do it again. 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Then 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Should end up a total of 60 stitches. For the round 6, slip stitch again. Then chain 2. Remember, this doesn't count as double crochet. 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Then 1 double crochet in the next 4 stitches. Let's do it again. 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Then 1 double crochet in the next 4 stitches. Now we are on round 7. Slip stitch, chain 2. This doesn't count as double crochet. Two double crochet in the same stitch. Then 1 double crochet in the next 5 stitches. Repeat 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Then 1 double crochet in the next 5 stitches. So at the end of this round, you should have a total of 84 stitches. Now we'll start shaping the petals. From here on, we're working in rows, not in the round. So each petal has 14 single crochet at the base, like you can see in the photo. Remember, every time you reach the end of a row, just chain 1 and turn your work for a straight edges. Alright, let's start with row 1. Chain 1, then make 14 single crochet across. Chain 1, and turn your work. Moving on to row 2. Just make 14 single crochets again. Chain 1, and turn. Row 3. Start with a decrease. Then single crochets. And finish with another decrease. Chain 1, turn. So at the end of this row, you should have a 12 stitches. Row 4, 12 single crochets straight across. chain 1, then turn. So for the row 5, decrease, then 8 single crochets, and another decrease. Chain 1, turn. You should have 10 stitches. Row 6, just make 10 single crochets. Chain 1, then turn. Chain 1, then turn. Row 7, decrease, 6 single crochets, and decrease again. Chain 1, then turn. You should have total of 8 stitches. Row 8, just make 8 single crochets. Chain 1, then turn. Row 9, decrease, 4 single crochets, then decrease. Chain 1, then turn. Should have a total of 6 stitches. Row 10, 6 single crochets, chain 1, turn. Row 11, decrease, 2 single crochets, and decrease. Chain 1, turn. Should have a total of 4 stitches. Row 12, 4 single crochets, chain 1, turn. Row 13, make 2 decreases, chain 1, turn. Now you'll have 2 stitches left. Row 14, 2 single crochets, and for the very last step, keep the first stitch and single crochet into the second. Now repeat the same process all the way around to create 6 petals. Make sure you are working in the same direction each time for a neat look. Now all the petals are done, you can weave in your ends with a yarn needle, but I'm just gonna hide mine as I crochet. Remember, we will make 3 single crochets into the same stitch at the point of each petal. Now we'll build the straps and the edge. We'll start at the very last stitch of the petal row. This part might a bit tricky, but just follow all along. Attach your yarn with a slip stitch. Then make 3 single crochet into that same stitch. Now make 14 single crochets along the side of the petals. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Then make 1 extra single crochet into the center space. So remember, this does not count toward your stitch count. So to summarize, we will make 3 single crochet at the point of the petal, 14 single crochet along the side, plus 1 extra single crochet. Now let's repeat. Make 14 single crochets along the side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. At the point or the last stitch, make 3 single crochets into the same stitch. So 1, 2, and 3. Then again, make 14 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Then make 1 extra single crochet into the center space. Don't forget to make 3 single crochets at every point of the petal. Repeat this pattern all around. So I'll see you at the end. Now for the strap. We will connect this point to this point to form the strap. Then chain as long as you want. For this one, I will make 45 chains. After chaining, slip stitch into the other point to connect. Chain 1. Now work in the back loop only. Then make 1 single crochet into the very same stitch. Then single crochet all the way along the strap. Don't forget, back loop only. Don't work in the back loop only this time, just do a normal single crochet. Also, don't make 3 single crochet into the same stitch at the very point of every petals. In this, we will just make a normal single crochet. And repeat this for 5 rows total to make the strap nice and sturdy. Now for the final step, flip the bag inside out, just like this. Then single crochet the side together where needed to close and shape the bag. And that's it. Your flower petal bag is done. I'll see you guys in part 2. Bye!